Hola, ¿qué tal? Soy Yoshamasta y estoy en otro video de Imperio de Jade, justo donde lo dejamos, después de la gran telenovela que nos echamos. Y si no mal recuerdo,
Are you getting slow in your old age, Jian?
me faltaba esta misión. Ah, justo a punto de aplastar. Quiero que me enseñes. Enséñame. No entiendes nada de la senda. Hablar con mi compañero, lo más probable.
It did not prove so weak when we clashed, Jian.
Explícame. Has mencionado acerca de enseñarte combinaciones. Necesito saber más acerca. A ver, esta. ¿Cómo puedo iniciar esas combinaciones? Una vez iniciada, ¿cómo puedo terminar la combinación? ¿Cómo hay algún motivo para realizar una combinación? Una vez iniciada, es todo lo que quería saber. Cuéntame. Tempestad, mágicos, fieles. No, este ya lo dijo. Ah, aquí. Quiero que me enseñes. Recuérdame que estáis. A ver, sigan jugando. Un momento. Vale, acabo de ver hacia dónde ir. O eso creo. Puerta sellada. Jamás abrirán. Ok. Entonces esta no era la puerta sellada de la cual... Uy, de la cual tengo la llave. Solo es una puerta sellada así nomás. Uy, tuve que dar toda esta vuelta.
You. I have no time for those who do not understand strength. Return when your actions tell me that you follow the way of the closed fist, and perhaps I will consider you. You.
Ok, no, esto no lo voy a poder completar. A ver, vayamos hacia
Lord
el
Yun has
bosque.
put out a call for aid. Will none of you answer?
A ver, mensajero, ¿qué?
Lord Yun has put out a call for aid. Will none of you... Finally, someone approaches me. I was worried that this town's courage had drained away with the water. You look like a man who is trained for combat. Would you like to put those skills to the test?
¿Quieres ponerme a prueba?
Not personally, no. On behalf of Lord Yun, I'm here to find a skilled warrior who can deal with a unique problem. The great southern forest, which lies north of this village, suffers from a terrible disease. Every tree within its borders sickens, and the place is infested with ghosts of all manners.
¿Alguien sabe qué provocó la enfermedad?
If we did, would I be here? Lord Yun, my master, seeks a way to open the forest again and make it safe for travel. He is prepared to reward whoever aids him. Our men are no match for the ghosts in the forest. Perhaps you are.
¿Cómo llego al bosque? Creo que ese es el camino, pero aún así preguntaré.
You must leave Tien's Landing via the gate and follow the roadway to the north. The forest is but a short journey away, and Lord Yun makes his camp at the base of a hill, which should be easy to find. The path there is relatively safe, but travel beyond his camp and things worsen considerably.
Ok.
Go safely, and remember what I've said. Lord Yun needs the help of able warriors like yourself.
A ver, vayamos al bosque. Oh. Ciertamente es una zona que no he explorado.
Some sort of disease affects this place, but it can't be natural. It's as if the trees have deliberately grown together to snarl the paths. We must be on guard. Something very big is happening here. Wait, does it feel colder all of a sudden?
No lo sé. Oh. Claro, los fantasmas.
Thousand cuts.
Uy, fallé en el golpe. Este sí. Sí, creo que no hago mucho daño con esto. Ah, no, amigón. No me quieres dar a mí. Oh, bandidos.
We hurried down as quickly as we could, but I see you had the situation well
Ah,
in
no.
hand. I'm impressed. Not many people can disperse the spirits of the dead with any ease.
Esos fantasmas son un problema,
They grow
sí.
worse by the day, and I've almost given up hope of finding a solution. My manners desert me. I am Lord Yun,
Ah,
owner
perfecto,
of
este
this
es el
land
Lord
and
Yun.
charged by the Emperor himself to keep it safe. You should turn back south to Tien's Landing. This is the safest part of the great southern forest, and even it is polluted with these strange ghosts.
No hay problema, quizás pueda ayudar.
Help me. That's certainly a kind offer, but I'm not sure that anyone... Wait a moment. You don't look like a pilgrim or one of the poor folk trying to escape Tien's Landing.
Oh,
Would it be out of line to inquire
creo que
as
va a
to
ser
what
malo
brought
si
you
él
here?
me descubre quién soy. Ayuda por abrir las gotas, busco una gota para llegar a la ciudad imperial. No, decir que voy por los asesinos del loto diciendo que es parte del imperio este tipo no sería buena idea. Necesitabas ayuda.
Caravans employing skilled warriors have been forced to turn back under these ghosts' assaults. I could only reach Tien's Landing by using my flyer.
¿Hay alguna posibilidad de que me lleves hasta la
It
ciudad
depends on how
imperial?
long you have to spend waiting. My flyer will not return for at least a month, as I knew it would take some time to set matters straight. Unless we can
No es muy
find a way to
conveniente.
remove these ghosts, though, I'll be stuck here warning people away from this place until I'm driven out by the dead.
Parece que viajar al norte me va a hacer falta tu mapa de
Indeed,
vientos.
though you would also need a flyer with enough fuel to manage the trip. Those are in precious short supply in this area of the Empire. Then again, you seem resourceful, and I believe resourceful people find ways to get things done. Perhaps you could get something done for me. If so, I might be persuaded to foolishly risk the Lotus Assassin's wrath by making a copy of one of their precious maps.
¿Qué es lo que propones?
The deal is simple. Find out why my land sickens, why it is home to so many ghosts, and you will have your map.
Suena bien. Trato hecho.
Two things threaten the entire length and breadth of this forest. The trees blacken with disease, and ghosts flock to this place like no other in the Empire. I suspect that these things are related, and, more importantly, that they're related to a fox called the Forest Shadow.
¿Quién es la sombra del
She is a
bosque?
powerful spirit that has long been an ally of my family. Personally, I've had little to do with
Sí,
her.
era lo que iba a decir.
My
Creo que es
father and
aliada.
his father before him, however, felt strongly that she should be revered. They considered her the true guardian of this forest.
¿Qué quieres decir con...? Bueno, esto suena
Just that.
gracioso.
She is a fox spirit, and thus one of heaven's tricksters. The fox can take on the forms of men and women, and will often do so to test us. Personally, I don't think they have any right to deceive us, but my father felt that our family's good fortune came from just such a test passed long ago by an ancestor. Some sort of ancient alliance in which she was guardian of the forest, while we owned the land in the world of men.
Lo suficiente que tengo que hacer.
I think something is wrong with the Forest Shadow, and I want you to find her and figure out what is happening. Once we know that, we'll have a clear idea of what we face.
Si es una antigua, seguro que si la encontraré. Sí,
A noble
ayudará.
sentiment, but when I look upon these trees, I'm afraid that you may have to destroy her. See what you can learn first, then we will act if it is necessary. Make your way up this ancient trail, and when you come to a fork, take the left path. That will lead you to a temple built long ago in the forest.
A la
shadows.
izquierda, ok.
Once there, find my hunter Spearcatch's Leaf if he still lives.
Lanza
He
en
claimed
palabras.
to remember some sort of ritual that my forebears used to contact the Forest Shadow. You might also want to keep an eye out for some small shrines that are scattered about the forest. Some of them are said to react to magic or charges of chi.
Necesito ese mapa, así que tengo trabajo que hacer.
I was
Sí, yo
beginning
creo
to
que ya.
think there may be no cure for this place. Your arrival has given me some small measure of hope. Find Spearcatch's Leaf at the temple above and see what he has learned. Your wind map will be waiting when you find a cure.
Uy, perfecto. Bueno. A ver, me termino de curar y tomo esto. Nos vamos. Vamos, sí señor. Uy, murieron. Perfecto. Luego desea un camino bifurcado. Hacia la izquierda se supone que está la guardiana.
These rushing waters can't do anything to cleanse this forest.
Oh, más fantasmas.
Thousand cuts.
Dios. Ah, no me agradan fantasmas. No, uy. Dios, ya no tengo chi. Ay, sí.
The ghosts attack everyone. They are mad with madness. Thank you for keeping me safe.
If I had to guess, I'd say this mongrel's mind has collapsed on itself from being trapped in this ghost-infested place.
You have come from Tian's Landing?
Sí. Sí, estaba en el descanso de Tien.
You were? This is good. I was going there, but you're coming here instead. I come from the inn, the Pilgrim's Rest. You must take a message to the town for us. Things are very bad. We starve. The ghosts cut us off from everything. But we are still up there. Tian's Landing must send people to help. Many people should come to the inn to help us. They can't let us starve.
Sí, ¿dónde está la posada?
You would be welcome there. They would have you for a most fun stay. The inn lies above on the path to the right.
Estoy buscando el templo. ¿Me puedes decir cómo? Lo llevo al descanso de Tien.
The temple? No, the temple is where the ghosts are worst. It is a bad place. You should not go there. You should go to the inn.
Te escoltaré hasta el
No,
descanso.
I should return to the inn. They will want to know you are coming. You should come with me. I can take the message down later, and you will be safe from the forest shadow and her ghosts.
Háblame de la sombra del
She
bosque.
is a wicked fox spirit. They are tricksters, all of them. The tricks she plays kill now. You should stay away from her. She hurts us when we leave the inn.
¿Esos fantasmas son sus
Oh,
servidores?
yes, they must be. She hunts us, and these ghosts hunt you, right? Isn't that the same? She's dangerous like these ghosts. We're all afraid of her.
He hablado, ¿qué opina? Podrá
That
ayudar.
can't be right. She is dangerous. You should go to the inn to be kept safe. That's the only way.
Ok, debo seguir mi
I
camino.
will go back the way I came. Knowing that there are others here, I will be all right. I must go back to the inn to tell them. You should follow the path to the right, not the left. Left goes to the temple, and the forest shadow will kill you. Come.
Decisiones,
The
decisiones.
inn is this way.
Oh, espera, ¿qué? Es la guardiana. Ah. Maldición. Ah. Oh, sí, tenemos poder. No, ¿qué eres tú? ¿Y por qué me atacaste? Uy, estoy demasiado herido. Veré si yendo a la posada puedo ir. A ver, es que yendo a la posada me imagino que habrá algo para curarme. ¿La pila? O vale, sí que había algo para curarme aquí. ¿Qué es esto? ¿Huesos? Gema. ¿Qué es eso? No estoy seguro. Pero sigamos. Lápida. Lápida. Y allá parece haber fantasmas. Vamos.
Thousand cuts.
Uno menos. No sube el sagaz. No. Uy. Uy, lo congelé. Maldición.
Thousand cuts.
Uno menos. ¿Cuántos quedan? Dios, ese ataque perseguidor. Bien, bien, bien. Tú espero que sobrevivas. Eso es su... entre los dos. Uy. Perfecto. Amigo, este es el camino bifurcado. Esto ha sido todo por hoy. Si les gustó, den like y compartir. Seguiré subiendo videos sobre este videojuego. Así que nos vemos a la próxima.